Imagine adding an electric wheel to your bike. Travel 20 to 50 miles on a single charge. Pedal when you want, sit back when you don't. Hills? No sweat.
It's 500 watts of power available at the press of a lever. Easy to install and intuitive to operate. Designed in Cambridge, Massachusetts and built in New England.
2 years ago I was watching Tron. Thinking about all that empty space inside the orbital wheel really kept me up at night. Why don't we put a motor? Why don't we put a battery in that space? I managed to make a mini prototype, but I basically have 2 left thumbs and a limited knowledge of engineering.
18 months ago, I was working as a propulsion development engineer at SpaceX when I met Mike and saw the geo-orbital wheel prototype. I loved the concept and wanted to help make it a reality. Since then, we've created 5 generations of prototypes, given hundreds of test rides and logged thousands of miles. From all that user feedback, we've integrated all sorts of features into the wheel. Installation takes only 60 seconds and requires no tools. The battery is easily removable. Even the tires are made of high-density foam. They ride just like a normal tire, but they'll never go flat. The motor will take you 0 to 20 miles an hour in 6 seconds. The feature set goes on, and we've only just got rolling.
For many years, I worked, driven, and rode electric vehicles, first at Ford and then for a bike store in Boulder. I first saw the geo-orbital wheel, I was hooked. We've got this advanced design, sleek aluminium frame, and simple operation. You just pop on the wheel, clip on the throttle, and go. It's bloody brilliant.
Wouldn't it be great if you could use your bike whenever you wanted to, without sweating? All the engineering is done. We've got a great product, we've got a great team. But we need your help. We really want to keep these built in the United States, but we need to order a batch large enough to keep the cost down. Please support our project in any way that you can.
Thank you, Kickstarter.
Hello, I'm Ben. My friend Alex and I set up a company called Meiku. We want to change the way our things are made, and we're really excited about showing it to you today.
Well, we think anyone who wants to should be able to make their own things. So we're taking tools that you'd usually find in a factory, making small, simple versions of them. And today, we're releasing our first one.
Meet the Meiku Form Box. It's a factory that fits on your tabletop. It works with any vacuum cleaner and a whole selection of different materials. First, make your design and place it on the bed. The Form Box molds a 3D shape in seconds. Take it out and start a production line right from your tabletop, so you can bring your first collection of products to life. Start a business from your kitchen table. Use everyday items to customize your creations. Work with different materials, even chocolate, so you can make professional grade products good enough to eat. Sometimes you don't want to design something from scratch. Explore our online library of projects to see what other makers around the world are sharing. Even use maker machines like your 3D printer with the Form Box. Multiply versions of your prototypes without the weight and get a factory level of finish from your home or studio. We've meticulously designed the Form Box to fit with your life and your ambitions. Making should be simple and not take much time, so you can push the boundaries of what you can make for your customers, your friends, and for people all over the world. We've been testing it with makers and small businesses for the past year and developed a series of prototypes to get to a design we think you'll love. We're working with a great factory. We just need enough orders to start the first production run. And with your help, we can get the Form Box into the hands of makers everywhere.
We want to bring people closer to how their things are made and give them the tools that they need to create their own things, to turn their ideas into reality. And we need you with us to make this happen.
We think you're going to love making stuff with the Form Box. You can pre-order yours on the Kickstarter page today. There's a bunch of different rewards to choose from, Just pick one that's right for you. And it's the first machine that we want to build out of many. So with your support, hopefully we'll be able to make something amazing together.
Have you ever thought about how much energy lies around you? In a forest, in the woods, in all the waste you can find? Did you ever wish you could use that energy instead of carrying uncomfortable gas tanks or trying to ignite a bonfire? It is definitely charming, but it is also smoky and dangerous. Now you can stop dreaming about it because we made it real. Anki Stove Wild is a revolutionary camp stove which can run with any kind of dry biomass. All you need is some branches, a small battery, or even a solar panel. What makes all the magic possible is a well-known technology named pyrolysis. But unlike traditional pyrolytic stoves, we found a way to make the process simple, stable, smoke-free, and totally awesome. Take a traditional fire. It burns strongly, but it wastes a lot of energy in smoke, while smoke itself has a lot of energy. What we do is transform all the biomass into energy. This way you get a clean and reliable flame wherever you want and for free. Yes, free energy. I'm talking about a powerful and professional flame you can use to cook for real and grill as a pro. Do you know which is the best part of all this? Using your stove, you're not only saving the environment, all the waste produced by the gas tanks or the production of charcoal, you're also avoiding the production of any pollution responsible for the greenhouse effect. But wait, there's more. What remains inside your stove when the fire is gone is a wonderful biochar, an incredible active charcoal that makes the ground better and more fertile. We designed our stove to be the best companion of your outdoor adventure. It is minimal, it is compact, and all the design features are strictly linked to its operation. We made it in 2 sizes to let you choose between portability and personal use, or base camp and a lot of power. Everything is made in Italy using the best materials to create a product that is really going to last forever. Anki Stove Wild has been made to let you live your adventures with a deeper contact with nature. Environment is our greatest treasure, and taking care of it is no longer a privilege, but an important duty. With Anki Stove Wild, you can do your part in saving our planet by taking no compromises.
Here in Anki Stove, we worked for more than 4 years to design a product which let us live off-grid and cook properly. As Italians, you know that we care a lot about healthy cooking. Our patent-pending technology reduces our dependency on fossil fuels and our impact upon the planet. We need your contribution to optimize our production line to share the Anki Stove technology worldwide with you, and thanks to your help, even with developing countries. We are Anki Stove. Thank you for your attention.
The gift of technology is only as good as our ability to keep our technology devices charged and ready. As our families grow, as our co-workers team up, as we travel and pack lighter, we can finally plug in and carry on with our busy lives, thanks to Charlie. Charlie is light. Charlie is small. Yet Charlie is a powerhouse. A design so innovative that he takes the breath away. 9 USB ports, 3 standard plugs, a built-in surge protector, a nightlight. This handsome modern-day hero keeps you plugged in and connected to all your devices.
Hello everyone, my name is Adam Badawi. My wife and I travel across the country for our businesses. And unfortunately, every time we stay in a hotel, there is never enough outlets on the walls to plug in all of our devices. So it was very frustrating. So I decided, you know what, why don't I design something that is very unique, very simple, and is very easy to carry. And I came up with the smallest out plug that you can ever design, and it is right here. This is actually Charlie. What Charlie's all about is it has 9 USB and it has 3 plugs in the front. So you have up to 12 items that you can charge at the same time. I call this the powerhouse. Before Charlie was born, actually I came up with different prototypes. This is my first one, this is my second one, and Charlie was the final. Why Charlie was the final? Because it's so small and it's so easy for everyone to take with them everywhere they want to go. Before we used to travel with all of this, and I cannot travel with all of this anymore. So I tried so hard to make it easier for everybody. The only thing you need to travel with is just your USB cords. That's it. And you got Charlie. You plug everything right there. You're already charged up. No problem whatsoever. Now that we're on Kickstarter, we are so close to finalizing manufacturing, packaging, and get it on the market. So thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for backing us up.